Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy cheesecake at home. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on lighter options like reduced-fat cream cheese and Greek yogurt. For the crust, combine crushed whole grain crackers with a small amount of melted butter or coconut oil. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan, ensuring an even layer. This foundation sets the stage for a delicious, guilt-free dessert. Next, let's create the luscious filling. In a large bowl, beat your softened light cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth. Gradually mix in plain Greek yogurt, a couple of eggs, and your chosen natural sweetener, like erythritol or stevia, to taste. Stir in a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and a hint of fresh lemon zest. This combination ensures a rich flavor with fewer calories. Now it's time to bake your masterpiece. Carefully pour the creamy filling over the prepared crust in your 9-inch springform pan. Bake the cheesecake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until the edges are set and the center has a slight jiggle. Turn off the oven and let it cool slowly inside, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Finally, for the perfect presentation and taste, garnish your chilled cheesecake. Fresh berries, such as vibrant strawberries or plump blueberries, add natural sweetness and a beautiful pop of color. You might also consider a light drizzle of sugar-free chocolate sauce or a sprinkle of finely chopped nuts. Slice and enjoy your delicious, healthier homemade cheesecake, knowing you've created a wonderful treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.